What's going on, guys? Today's an awesome day. One, because it's like 65 degrees outside. I feel like I've been living in California with all of this amazing weather. I'm gonna go just cruise around the neighborhood a little bit, and then we're gonna go to this my mom's concert tonight. So that's gonna be awesome. I fixed my exhaust leaks. No check engine light. Since I fixed the exhaust leak, my wideband actually shows a whole lot more accurate. So it shows I'm getting quite a bit of proper fueling to the GTO, and now we just gotta mark things off the list. So next things up is get the Honda sold, and then once the Honda's sold, injectors are coming first, and then the mass airflow sensor. Now, if this happens sooner than later, I definitely got to give my tuner a call to make sure I could have the car tuned. And then when that is done, I could finally schedule this dyno, because I know you guys are aching to see this dyno. In all honesty, I don't care that much about the numbers. That's why I haven't really been pressuring myself to get it done. I more so just want a really fun, reliable car right at this minute. Now, the crazy part about the whole situation is the car drives completely factory as long as I'm not in boost. As soon as I mash the gas, like 4,500 RPMs, it starts cutting out. So I don't really want to cause a lean condition. So I have been driving the GTO quite a bit, but just been cruising around as if it's a normal car, and it doesn't see any red line or any kind of crazy driving recently. So it's been like that for the past like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. As of right now, I'm gonna cruise around on my bike just in the neighborhood. It's so nice out today. It's like ridiculously nice. I'm in a t-shirt. It's January in Colorado. Like, this is insane. We're about to ride my bike through the neighborhood. And yeah. So this is a little park by my house, and just gonna mess around here. I'm gonna do a couple of retarded flat ground tricks, and maybe something cool. We'll see. So I've wanted to do that for a long time, and I always drive by this place. Figured I'd do it real quick. But we're gonna get going, get some more bike riding in before my wife gets home. It's super fun though. Super nice and relaxing day today just to cruise around. I love just cruising around sometimes like this, and just kind of enjoying the scenery or lack thereof. Just riding around the neighborhood is pretty cool. Seeing where this takes me. I think this is back by the house. Oh! Okay, just got a call from the wife. I gotta head back to the house. So what I'm gonna do real quick is actually pull the Honda into the garage so I could start to clean it up and get it ready for sale. And hopefully by the end of today or tomorrow, it'll be posted up online and ready to go. Okay, so I'm back at the house and I just realized that one of my neighbors is a cop for Parker. And yeah, that's pretty much where I go to drive the car, kind of crazy, kind of in the middle of the country. So hopefully he doesn't know, or he does know it's me, so he just lets me go with a slap on the wrist. Definitely got to get a few tricks in before I have to go do grown-up stuff, so I'm just having a good time in my driveway. Okay, so here in a minute I'm going to start up the GTO so you guys can hear it. It sounds a whole lot better since I fixed the exhaust leaks. Pretty much what I did was I got some JB Weld. It's the putty style for high heat, and I put them on the inside of my clamps. So it clamps the system a whole lot better, and man, it did wonders just as a temporary fix for now. Okay, so that's a wrap for bike riding. Plane's flying over. Take two. That's a wrap for bike riding. I'm gonna pull the Honda in here, and then I'm gonna start up the GTO for you guys so you guys could hear how much better it sounds, at least from the inside of the car. On the outside, you probably can't tell too much because of the cam and everything. Inside here sounds 1,000 times better. It's still a baby bit leaky, but it's not right at the collector. When it's right at the collector, it sounds like trash in here. It sounds like an old truck, so I definitely didn't like that, and I'm glad I fixed it. So I definitely will be buying mids. So definitely a lot quieter in here, and I'm super psyched on that because I could listen to music or whatever. I don't hear that annoying tick. And also the most important reason being is the fact that the O2 sensor is not picking up the added air in the system. So I'm sure that helps with the mass airflow sensor issue to an extent, but I really do feel that I need some bigger injectors and a bigger MAF. Alright, so we made it to my mom's event. What is this event called?
It's the
Martin Luther King
tribute.
So it's the Martin Luther King tribute, and
Sacrifice for justice.
is that what it says?
Yeah, Martin Luther King Jr. tribute, sacrifice for justice.
Okay, yep, what she said, and that's what's going on. So we're gonna be filming a little bit of the performance and everything that's going on here. I got my wife and my pop right over there.
But you told me to remember to have no regrets. Although somebody new looks good.
Okay, so the concert is over and it's awesome and we had a great time. Did you like it?
Yes.
Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
My mom in the choir did an awesome job.
So Mom, you did really good.
Thank you.
How long did you have to prepare?
2 days.
So you guys killed it in 2 days?
2 days. We had 2 rehearsals.
Nice. Is this first time singing with
That group, yes. My first time.
Oh, cool. Are you gonna? Do they like you, or do they want to bring you back on?
Yeah, I was supposed to sing for Martin Luther King Day, but I'm working, so I'm not going to sing for that day. But I'm going to be working with my own group.
Yep, everybody, this is my mama. She killed it. This is going on the tube tomorrow, Mom, just so you know. So everybody knows my mom kills it, and if you guys want to see her do a cover song, let me know. I will definitely film that for you and make it happen. So definitely like that video and make her sing a cover video. How'd Mom do, Pop?
Oh man, amazing. I just enjoyed the whole.
You like the whole thing?
Yeah, the choir, the orchestra's amazing too.
Yeah.
And then when the whole thing comes together, it's like, oh my gosh, it was tough.
It was good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Why are you in such a rush to leave?
I don't know. Wait.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for my day. Pretty much we got a pretty creative family and we're done for the night. So thanks for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my videos for more coolness, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.